and it's me, Priska Joseph. Dear children, what is your goal? I don't have any goals, ma'am. If this is your answer, then I would like to say that not tomorrow or not by next week. Today, now itself, you take a decision. You have to set a goal and work for it. And that goal is a lifesaver for you and your family. Okay, so now let's start. The second question from the exercise 4.1 is represent the following situations in the form of a quadratic equations. The first sub-question is the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than the twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Okay. Once again, the area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than the twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So this is the question. So dear children, first we have to draw a simple rectangle like this. Okay. So the first hint is the area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. And what is the area of the rectangular plot? We know that area is equal to length into breadth. Okay. So here is one more hint, that is the length of the plot, that is this is length. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. Suppose the breadth is x, then the length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. That is 2x plus 1. Okay. The length of the plot is 1 more than the twice of its breadth. Okay. Did you understand how I write this? Okay. So these are the length and breadth of the rectangle, and we need to find out the quadratic equation. Okay. So we also given that the area is equal to 528 meters square. So how can we make an quadratic equation? That is breadth into length is area, which is given as 528. Okay, so let's expand. That is 2x square plus x is equal to 528. That is 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. This is the expression for the area of the rectangle. Okay, so we write the quadratic equation for the given question. Okay, so very simple. Okay, there's no need to find out the length and breadth. We have to just write down the quadratic equation. Okay, so the second sub question is the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find out the integers. So there are two positive integers and their product is given by 306. We have to find out the numbers, or we have to write down the expression, quadratic equation. Okay, so suppose x is the first integer, then what will be the next integer? It will be x plus 1. Okay, then given that their product is 306, so x times x plus 1 is equal to 306. Okay, this is the expression and we have to expand it. That is x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So this is in the form of a quadratic equation, and for the relation, the product of two consecutive integers is 306. Okay, so this is the quadratic equation. Hope it is clear for you. Now the third question is Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their age in years 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So there are two persons, that is Rohan and his mother. So suppose Rohan and mother. Suppose Rohan's present age is X, then Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him, which means his mother's age is X plus 26. And in the question, the product of their age in years 3 years from now will be 360. Which product of their age 3 years from now, which means their age after 3 years will be, Rohan is X plus 3 and his mother is X plus 26 plus 3, that is X plus 29. Okay, and product of that age will be 360, which means X plus 3 times X plus 29 will be 360. Okay, on cross multiplication we get x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 29 times 3, that is 87 is equal to 360. That is x square plus 29x plus 3x is 32x. Then 360, 87 minus 360, that is 360 minus 87. Here it is 3 and here 7, 273. That is minus 273 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation for the given question. Hope it is clear for you. Okay. This is the last sub question from the question 2. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to recover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Once again, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to recover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So, given that the distance is 480 km. Okay, then the uniform speed should be taken as x. Okay, so the speed is x. Then cover the 480 km should be t. Okay, so these are the 3 parameters, and this is the first condition. And for the second case, the distance is same. Okay, distance is same, and the speed become 8 km less, which means the speed is now x minus 8. Okay. Given that if the speed had been taken 8 km less, which means the speed is x minus 8, then it would have taken 3 hours more to recover the same distance, which means the time should be t plus 3 hours more. Okay, so this is t1 and this is t2. Okay, so expression for time, we have to find out the expression for time, that is t1 is equal to, for the first case, distance is 480 divided by x. Okay, and for second condition, t2 is equal to 480 divided by x minus 8. Distance is same and the speed is 8 hours less than the previous case, and the difference in time should be 3. Okay, so T2 minus T1 is equal to 3. Now 480 divided by x minus 8 minus T1 is 480 divided by x, which is equal to 3. And now take LCM. Then 480x minus 480 times x minus 8, which is equal to 3. Okay, 480x minus 480x plus 480 into 8, that is 8 8 64, 9 10 6, 8 4s are 32 plus 4 is 38, that is 3840 divided by x times x minus 8, which is equal to 3. Okay, so now on rearranging, 480x minus 480x plus 3840 is equal to 3 times x into x minus 8. This terms become 0. Okay, so 3840 is equal to 3x square minus 8 times 3 is 24x, which means 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation for the question. Okay. Take 3 outside. We have to write x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. So this is the equation for the question, and these are very important question. So you have to read the question carefully and practice this question very well. Okay, without practice we can't do anything on the paper. Okay, so practice it correctly. And exercise 4.1. Hope it is clear for you. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Okay, so that's all for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day.